Hello everyone, welcome back to my Skillshop project series. Today I am going to present task 39, which is to design a responsive sign-in page for the admin panel using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Tailwind CSS for the Skillshop system. So the purpose of this task is to allow administrators to securely login into the admin panel using their email address and a verification code. So this login interface is designed to be modern, responsive, user-friendly and secure. So as you can see, this is my admin login page. So here I add admin email, and here by using this input field the user can insert their email address, and by using this button the user or admin can send verification code to their email address, and by this button the admin can go back to the Skillshop site. Okay, so this is what I implemented according to my task 39. And then let's move to see my code structure. In this demonstration, I will explain the important parts of my admin login.php file. So here we are in admin login.php file. Okay, so first at the very top of my file, I start the session using this code. So this line is very important because it allows the system to store and manage session data such as the admin login status. Okay, then here next I check whether the admin is already logged into the system. So here is the code I used. Okay, so this code checks if the session variable admin logged in is set to true, and if the admin is already logged in, the system automatically redirects the user to the admin dashboard instead of showing the login page again. So this improves both user experience and security. Okay, then next I create the basic HTML structure of the page, and this defines the document as an HTML5 page and sets the language to English. Instead, the head section I included the meta tags and styles, so you can see those. So the viewport meta tag ensures that the page is responsive and displays properly on mobile devices. Okay, then here to design the interface I use Tailwind CSS. So here is the code. Tertiary CSS provides ready-made utility classes that help create modern and responsive layouts quickly. Next, I designed the main layout of the page using Tailwind classes. Okay, now you can see this. So this code sets a dark background color, makes the page fill the entire screen and centers the login card, and also it adds padding for spacing. So this ensures the page looks professional and responsive. Then I created the login card container. So this container includes white background, rounded corners, shadow effect and also flexible layout. So this improves the visual appearance of the login page. Next, I created the header section of the login card. So this section displays the admin icon, the title and also the subtitle. So this clearly indicates that the page belongs to the admin system. Okay, then next I created the email input field. Okay, you can see now. So here, this field allows the admin to enter their email addresses. The type email attribute ensures that only valid email formats are accepted. So the required attribute prevents empty submissions. Okay, then I created the button that sends the verification code. So here is the one. So this button triggers the JavaScript function admin login event. So this function sends the email to the server. After the email is submitted, the system shows the verification step. So here is the code. Then this input field allows the admin to enter a 6-digit verification code sent to their email. The max length property ensures that only 6 digits can be entered. Okay, then next I implemented the JavaScript function that handles the login request. So this function sends the email to the backend server. First, the form submission is prevented. So this stops the page from reloading. Then the email value is collected. So here is the code for that. And then next the form data object is created. Okay, then this sends the email data to the server. Then the request is sent using the fetch API. Okay, so this connects the login page to the backend system. Then if the email is valid, the system switches to the verification step. So here, this hides the email form and displays the verification code form. And next I created the verification function. Okay, so this function verifies the code entered by the admin. First, the code is collected. Okay, so here is the code I use for that, and then the code is sent to the server. Then finally, if the verification is successful, the admin is redirected to the dashboard. So this completes the login process. This sign-in page is fully responsive because it uses Tailwind CSS layout utilities, flexible containers, mobile-friendly spacing, responsive fit settings. For example, max WMT. So this ensures the login card adapts to different screen sizes such as mobile, tablet and desktop. So this login system includes several security features: session management, email validation, verification code authentication, controlled login access, error message handling. So these features help protect the admin system from unauthorized access. So in conclusion, I successfully designed a responsive admin sign-in page using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Tailwind CSS. So the page provides a secure and user-friendly authentication system using email verification. So this design ensures that administrators can safely access the admin panel while maintaining modern usability and responsive layout standards. So then, thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in my next video.